Hey guys, this is
bahay ni Kuya na ayaw mo nang balikan.
He always keeps on using my recording and confess. Please. It's so annoying.
no, it's not.
Kung babalikin mo lang sa loob ng bahay, kaya
Because oh, yeah, no, really, it is.
And then, yun ako yung ulit. Yun lang, ayaw.
Okay, maraming salamat yo. Ngayon naman, tanungin mo na si Kisses.
Jesus. Kung yun yung big winner, anong gagawin mo sa pera?
Thank you. Kung ako yung magiging big winner, yung gagawin ko sa pera, ay ibibigay ko
Wasted.
sa mahal kong mga magulang. Kasi kung hindi dahil sa kanila, hindi ako makakapunta dito at hindi ako magiging kung sino ako ngayon. Kaya ibibigay ko to sa kanila.
Thank you very much, Kisses. Ngayon ang tanong, nakatulong kaya ang mga sagot nyo para kumbinsihin ng taong bayan na kayo ang iboto? Yan ang ipapaalam ko sa inyo sa mga aking pag-uusap. Kaya sa ngayon, please do not be distant.
Really? They were lucky this time.
At matapos ang matinding tanungan ng Lucky Bake Tour, paano kayo naapektuhan ang takbo ng nagaganap na batuan? Ito na ang real-time vote standing.
Mula sa LUCKYH
That-
kahapon, Ginambo Jumbo ng
I never knew that existed in Crossfire now.
Lucky ang Big Four, leading si Housemate B, 42.64%. Pero alam nyo, napakalapit ni Housemate yung 31.35%. Si Kay, well, pwede pa ito umabot na 21.59%. Pero si Housemate
It looks weird.
4.42%. Ang tanong, sino kaya si Housemate C?
OMG, fail. Yeah, it's very annoying for him to record on my cell phone. So annoying. What? Oh, John Cena.
Smoking grenade.
Nano day gym kay Golden iya weapon.
Isa lang ang balik. Ang mali ba?
Fire in the hole! Flash grenade. Headshot.
Bianca, eat my rice. I mean,
Maybe it's time para ipakita mo sa kanila na kaya mo makipagsabayan sa kanila.
I am the governor and I can do anything I want!
I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am.
Oh, this is weird.
Inches later. How fast this fucking boy? A few moments later. Still fast as fuck, boy. 2,000 years later. I'm fast as fuck, boy.
Sino ang kikilalaning the greatest entertainer? I can do that! Sabado after MMK, Linggo after Rated K.
Andrea, saan ka na?
Sir, papunta na po ako dyan.
Still fast as fuck, boy.
Bye! Balikan mo ah!
Ito ang ultimate kilig family series sa prime time. A love to last after my dear heart.
Ay, mali. Nagkausap na. Dapat yung silver naman. Sarili mo lang inasahan ng mo pag nagkaroon ka ng galit. Tuloy, mahal mo na ba si Makot?
Okay, sir.
Return sa dati mong Hawaiian and move
A
on to
few
the best
moments
tasting Spinach
later.
Hawaiian overload. Sweet pineapples, ham, and lots of cheese perfectly blended together. Spinach Hawaiian overload. Best tasting Hawaiian na!
Bruh.
One is not enough.
A few moments later.
Coffee for great available in original and brown. And the new Great Taste Coffee Bag.
Ready na kami para sa Rejoice Jeep Me Smooth Hair Challenge. Mag-jeep kami gamit ang shampoo lang namin. Rejoice with Victor. It dries like hair faster sa very first year. Parang magpapuluran. Less worry, natulog ang buhok. Rejoice.
Buzz Diet. May Fitness Control formula sa diarrhea. Kaya pinisbalik ka. Paano ang nangyari? Fitness Control Diet Apps. Unilab yan.
Bruh.
They ask you how you are, you just want to say that you're fine.
Wow.
Hanggang sana abot ang 20 pesos mo.
Poor guy.
For 20 pesos, new Cornetto. Coffee, ice cream, and chocolate chips. Now in a cup with roasted peanuts and the chocolate chip. New Cornetto's light. Sarap po na
Dati, kaya is fresh. Pero, bigla akong sumasama. Every day I'm happy. Dahil wala cash with now.
Wow. Are you sure?
If you love cheese, say cheesy. Got cheese on your mind, say cheese. Like a pretty cheese all the time. Say cheesy, say cheesy.
You love cheese? Say cheesy.
Wow! Oh no! Paano nagpapandaman ng mancha? Kailangan i-bleach. Masisira yung damit. Naninilang pa the more you use it. Check the label. Try Vanish. Naku, baka mag-fade. Relax. Sa Vanish, tanggal ang mancha, alagang damit. Oo nga, ang galing ng Vanish. Vanish. Trust me, forget stains.
Alin? Ka? Oo, nagre-reverse lang. Gatas. Meron Apple Plus. Tulong para may tibay at lakas ang sobrang gamit. Napatuto ka. Tingnan mo. Oh, one more thing, is there? Meron Apple Plus. Tibay for your workouts. Ikaw, anong workouts mo?
Long Cheese Dove Ultimate White Deodorant with face serum ingredients and 1/4 moisturizing cream. It gives you layer, beautiful underarms. Dove Ultimate White Deodorant.
Ano adventures? Mag-rent ka ng bike, nak. Manong, tatlong bike mo?
Oh, sabi mo.
Manong, sobra mo.
Oh, bilis ng pick up ah.
Yan ang Talinong Nutroflex. Loaded with Nutro Talino boosters. Vitamin complex at vitamin A na tumutulong mapabilis ang process ng inflammation sa brain. Talinong Nutroflex. Trusted us.
Trusted quality healthcare. Unilab yan. Sa sarap na chicken makmakmak. Enjoy our crispy, juicy, always tasty chicken with protein fries for just 99 pesos.
Whiten without that sticky feeling with a skin-like classic that you know. Now with Light Feel technology, easily absorbed so that skin feels like white light. Skin white. Napansin ko ang brand ko.
Nakuhaan man ako ng iba't ibang pain. Buti na lang may Advil Michel. Target any kinds of pain.
Okay, thanks for watching.